Hello kids, today we'll do an activity to prove that the value of the trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the lengths of the side of the triangle if the angle remains the same. And we will need a protractor, a ruler and a set square. So what do you have to do first? On a piece of paper, draw a line AB. A and B. Now take a protractor and mark an angle 35 degrees at A. Use a ruler. Draw a line across the point where you have marked. So, we have measured 5 cm from A. Now measure 10 cm from A. After that, draw a perpendicular line using a set square. Now measure 20 cm from the vertex A and then draw a perpendicular line. Now measure 30 cm from vertex A create a right triangle and measure the perpendicular line. Now name the triangle ACD. You will get a right angle triangle. We'll name the other triangle, that is AEF, and the next triangle as AGH. So now measure the perpendicular line opposite to 35 degrees and the hypotenuse AC. So use your ruler. So what do you see? What's the measurement? So it is and AC is equal to 12.1 cm. Now measure the perpendicular line with the help of a ruler once again. So we get 13.2 cm. And then we'll measure the hypotenuse AE, which is equal to 24.2 cm. Now take your ruler again and measure the perpendicular line that we have drawn next. So it is equal to 20.1 cm. And then measure the hypotenuse AG. And the hypotenuse AG is equal to 36.5 cm. Now, observe the table very carefully here. And first we have ratio, then we have the first triangle, the second triangle and the third triangle. In the ratio column, we have written opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, and opposite by adjacent. Now let's look at the first triangle. 6.7 by 12.1 is approximately 0.553. Now if we take adjacent by hypotenuse, for the first triangle, our value is 10 by 12.1, which is approximately 0.826. And if we take opposite by adjacent, for the first triangle, our value is 6.7 by 10, which is approximately 0.67. Similarly, if you look at the table and the values of second triangle, and then observe the values of third triangle. Now tell me, what can you conclude or what do you observe in the table? Yes, all of the opposite by hypotenuse ratios are approximately same. Similarly, all of the adjacent by hypotenuse ratios are also approximately same. And all of the opposite by adjacent ratios are also approximately same. So what do we conclude from this? The values of the trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the lengths of the side of the triangle if the angle remains the same.